Hello guys, welcome to AR Tutorials. Today is day 30 of solving Leetcode questions daily. Friends, before starting this video, I really want to tell you that it's day 30 of solving Leetcode questions, as I've told you before. That means we have completed all 1 month on this YouTube platform, and it's been quite a roller coaster journey. I really don't find a way, or I really don't find words to express that. I really feel that yesterday was the day when I started my YouTube channel and posted my first YouTube video, but now the time has flown away and we have completed 30 successful videos on this YouTube channel with regards of very large spectrum of questions solved, and I've also covered some parts in the other fields also. I have posted ML videos, I have posted some shorts, reels also. We have really reached, or we have achieved a wide spectrum, I would say. So without wasting any time, I really want to thank you all for being a part of this journey. And now let's begin with our day 30th question. So friends, our day 30th question is find first occurrence and the last occurrence. That is the first and last position of the element. Friends, if you have been there for last 3 days, when we started the binary search, we have also took the point sets, upper bounds and lower bounds, in which I have told you that upper bound always finds the first occurrence. So what is the first occurrence? First occurrence means any element occurring first time in the array. What if the array occurs multiple times? First occurrence will always return the starting index in which that element has been occurred, and upper bound returns that greater than value. If I have written 3, it will tell which occurrence has a first element which is greater than 3. That means if my array consists of 3 and 4, then it will tell me what is the index of 4. Because when the 4 is greater than 3, so it will let you know that what is the index of 4. So let's visualize what I was saying. Suppose this is my array and I have to find, so suppose, okay, wait a minute. So this is my array. I have to find first occurrence of 7. So what it will, we'll just do lower bound, we'll get the first occurrence. But when we'll do upper bound, what we'll do, it will return 8. So upper bound can't be validated here. But using upper bounds, we can validate what? We can validate the upper index of upper index of the upper bound. So what we'll do, we'll just index minus 1. We'll do index minus 1. That means the last occurrence was the previous element. So is it so if we write the lower bound and pass whatever the number is there, and when we'll get the lower bound, what we'll do, we'll just minus 1 by the index. It will give us the most precise answer. But it is what is the use of writing up lower bounds and upper bounds? We can solve it by using only lower bound. Why? Friends, let me tell you that if I am finding lower bound of 7, I'll get first occurrence of what? 7 only. That is, I'll get the index. If I find lower bound of 8, it will give the first occurrences of 8. But what I want? I want last occurrence. So I'll just minus 1 the index of upper bound, lower bound only. There is no need of writing upper bounds. So what I'll do? I'll just use upper bound of 7 and lower bound of 8, and what will do, what it will return, I'll just do minus 1, so it will automatically give me the last occurrence. So easy. So means the logic is pretty clear that there is nothing beyond this, because it is very easy. That it is a logical question that if I want lower bound, I'll get the first occurrence, and if I'll get the upper bound, I'll get the first occurrence of the last element. But why to write the extra code? Why to write a even big function? Instead, I'll just modify that function which is already there inside my code. So if I write the lower bound, I'll just find the upper bound of the next element, lower bound of the next element, and just whatever the return he will return, I'll just subtract minus 1 to it. Very easy now, friends. So let's see the code. I have told you how to find lower bounds. I'll not repeat it every day, but still today I'll just repeat because many of you might be new to the channel. I have find the array size, always we'll keep the search spaces. If you don't know the search spaces, you are at the very beginning level, so please go and watch binary searches, because one video is not enough to get all the concepts. If you really want to get all the concept clear, you have to watch some previous videos, because there I have given a big brief and detail about whatever I have taught you. So this is very important. So low and high I have set. I'll first find the mid. I'll check if the mid is greater than target. If it is greater than target, then I don't want my answer to be greater. So I'll just reduce my span from making high -1. So it will reduce my span. If my mid is greater or my target is lesser, then what I have to do, I have to reduce the subspace. So whatever the answer will be there, we'll just store it in an answer, and we'll just mid +1, because we are shrinking the size by logs. So here what we have to do, we have to just do lower bound. Lower bound of what? Whatever the target is there. And again, what I have told you the logic, whatever I'll do the lower bound of next element. -1 will give you the accurate index of the last occurrence. So how much easy was that? And I'll just check that if whatever my first num size, and the first, what is num size, and it is, if it is greater than whatever, we are returning what? We are returning the vector. If it is not, then we will just return first and last, means this is the way to return. And if not, we'll return -1 and -1. So easy, we'll run. It will run for sure, because it requires a least time complexity. Nothing is there in the code, very easy code.